I have 1 yard by 60 inches. This organza. This is 1 yard by 60 inches. I fold into 2. I have this Ankara material. I'm going to sew on top. I will hold with pin. After holding with pin, I will fold again. Remember, I fold into 2, then I fold again. I have into 4. I will cut shoulder and sleeve together. Placing my tape like this, I have 18 inches. This is 18 inches. I measure down 9.5 inches. My tape is on top. I will measure down 17 inches. Bust is 48 inches. 48 divided by 4 will give me 12 inches. I add 2 inches to sew. Waist is 46 inches. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5 inches. I add 1.5 inch to sew. Down this part here, I will mark just from here. Then 2.5 inches from here. I will mark this way. I will cut here. Cut. Neckline is 3 inches. I will cut back with 1/2 inch. Front neck. Placing my tape on top, I mark down 6.5 inches. V-neck. What I will do is to go and sew. I'll go and sew this way. I will sew from here. I will measure from shoulder 15 inches. Then measure from here down 7 inches. I will sew from here and end the sewing here. I will leave this place open, then start the sewing from after 7 inches. I'll fold, continue like this. I'll measure this side 15 inches. Then from here 7 inches. Then I will continue sewing from here to this place, then leave here open, start the sewing from here to this place before I turn the neck. I'm done sewing, and I will remove the pin. Please, before you sew patterns like this on a top or on a dress, you have to hold with pin. Then after sewing, you will remove all the pins. This is where I leave open. This is the pocket. What I will go and do now is to sew like this, just like this on the material, and raise the organza up and sew here, just on top here, and do the same on this side. I will go and do that now. After that, I will hem. For the neck, I will hem this way, like this. I'm going to sew tiny like this. This part, I will do the same, just the way the sleeve is. I will sew on this part. This is the back. The front. I'm done. I will iron. I add handmade sticker on the back. I will join the two sides. I will sew from here this way, and from here like that. After sewing the side, I will hem the bottom. I'm done sewing. is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.